Small business KPIs, why they are important to you and your business. Our mission is to help small business owners exactly like you. So please click the bell and subscribe to be notified every time we produce our best pieces of content, but more so we can spread the word so we can help other business owners exactly like you. The small business, big impact. Why sometimes concentrate on the small areas can have a fundamental impact on the growth and profitability of your business. Follow my video and I'll explain exactly why KPIs are important to you and your business. So what are KPIs? KPIs are key performance indicators. That doesn't tell me anything, Michael. What do they really mean? They are the things that actually drive your business to make it better and more profitable. So it's not just hoping at the end of the year, my turnover is going to be £1 million or my profit is going to be 250,000. These are the things that actually drive it. And they're the things that you actually want to notice on and pay real attention. So the most common KPIs and how to set them. So the most common KPIs are these, and I'm going to break them down into key areas, yeah? In your profit and loss account, you're going to be looking at turnover growth. So your turnover from this year compared to last year, how well are you growing your business and is it in line with budget? Another big one, which is normally where business owners make the most amount of money, is having a real handle on what your gross profit percentage margin is. And that's all your direct costs, the stuff that you need to complete the task, not your basic overheads, less your income. That gross profit figure will be divided by your turnover to create a percentage. Now the percentages, there's not one fixed percentage. You need to work out what is good within your business. A gross profit percentage as a general is not a good measure. What you need to really understand in your business, for your industry, what is good, what is average, what is not so good. And what you need to also look at is how you are improving from yourself. Because sometimes it's not easy to get that benchmarking data, although it's there, but what you're looking to do is how can you improve your business from what you did last quarter, last month, last year, from all the way that you set up. And all you want to see is positive growth going upwards. The numero uno for a profit and loss account is your net profit percentage. Again, there's no fixed one percentage of a third. It will depend on your size, it will depend on your industry, and it will also depend on your appetite for growth. Because if you are growing your business, you are having to invest resources into that, which is going to cost you money to be able to grow. So when you're looking at your net profit percentage, they're the three on the P&L that you really want to take some interest in. Other KPIs that are financial from a balance sheet perspective are gearing. How highly geared are your business, which is your assets compared to your loans. And what you also want to look at is liquidity ratios as well. So a big one for a liquidity ratio, which is cash flow, is looking at how are your debtor days. So using the calculation, how long does it take for your debtors to pay you? Because that's money that's sitting in their bank account and not yours. And if you actually got them days down, so you actually got the money in quicker, you'd have more money to basically take out for the business, more money to invest, and it will give you more opportunities. So they're the financial ratios that are really important to you. The most important KPIs, or the key things that you want to look at, are normally non-financial. Now let's keep this as a little secret between us. Yes, I'm an accountant and a business advisor, but it's the things that matter to your customers that really determine whether you're going to be successful or not. Well, what does that mean? I'll give you an example. In our business, when we sit in front of prospects that are not happy, one of the most common concerns is how long it takes for the accountant to do the job. And it's normally right by the deadline. So one of our key metrics that we use at MDH is turnaround time. So once we get the job, how long does it take us to go from start to finish? And what we're looking to do is get this down to as low a level as possible. Now, different jobs take different lengths of time. I'll give you an example. A limited company takes a lot longer to do than a personal tax return. So we have 2 different turnaround days for them. That's okay. If you look at another industry like estate agents, one of the key numbers that you want to look at and drive, because you're looking to drive income, is how many valuations have been booked. Because how many valuations will be booked will determine how much stock they got. How much stock they got will determine how much they sell. So what you want to look at within your business is the financial KPIs are really important. There's not enough small business owners that are looking at them with enough care and drive. But also you want to look at your non-financial numbers at all. What ones are really important that would make your business stand out against your competitors? And sometimes you'll come up with KPIs that are really good. And for the first time you go, right, this is what I'm driving, this is really good, I'll carry on doing it. And there are other KPIs, even I've done them myself, where we look back 12 months time and go, why the hell did we measure this? So again, don't look for perfection, look for progress. Now, all of these KPIs and all of your key drivers and all of your non-financial KPIs need to link towards your business goal. So ideally, every business should have some form of strategic plan that they're working towards. That'll be great if it's 5 years, but if it's just one, you are doing way more than the rest. So, but what you want to make sure is everything that you're driving towards leads you towards that goal. So every decision, every action, every idea, every bit of investment that you make within your business needs to get you towards that goal. If not, you are failing. And if you are, what can you do to change where you're going at the minute to help make everything just completely better? A lot of things can happen within a year. I know if I look back 12 months ago, a load of things have happened for me, and a load of things can happen per week, per month, per quarter. So make sure that you're staying online, because you don't want to get to the end of where you go on your 1 year strategic plan route and you go, oh, we missed that massively. Well, there could have been a load of stuff that you could have done to pull it back, amplify it, jump on opportunities, so you don't get to the year end and kick yourself. You're actually getting to the year end and celebrating because you've measured the right KPIs, which have got you towards your goal, which has allowed you more income and investment within your team. How cool is that? I hope this video's helped, but if there's any questions or anything you're not quite sure about, please feel free to click my calendar link below. I'll be happy to jump on a discovery call with you. I promise there'll be no pushy sales pitch. I'll look to give you value and also get to know you as well at the same time. We also have a range of webinars that are designed for small business owners exactly like you. Our main one is our business growth program. This can sometimes go from surviving to thriving, but it also could mean big scale. We look to put this in layman's terms, which allows you to cut through the jargon and hopefully give you tangible actions for your business.